energy. It's everywhere.
We carry it within us.
We are surrounded by it.
Energy feeds us.
Connects us.
It powers our lives.
Energy is more than just a part
Of our everyday life.
We need it always and everywhere. But how does this source reach us in times of ever-increasing demand?
Can we assure that it never runs dry?
Transformation.
is the key for a bright future.
And we at R&S Group
Carry this key.
We offer high quality
and customized solutions
for efficient power transmission and distribution,
whenever
and wherever it is needed.
Together with our partners.
We make energy possible today,
And
tomorrow,